I'm Tabitha Sanchez.
I'm Austin Plutowitz.
Alora Pope.
Shelly Trotter.
Derek Teeter, and our section number 3, December 2014, Group FETA, and our instructor is Raul Vargas.
Today we're going to talk to you about
Acoustics!
The properties or qualities of a room or building that determines how sound is transmitted in it.
Reverb is a persistence of sound after sound is produced, or an echo. A common example of reverb would be in the bathroom, where you can hear a slight echo. Rather than it being separate echoes that you can hear at one point in time, it's a group of echoes all at once. Another example of reverberation would be this washer machine. Hello! You can't hear the echoes as a separate piece, but you can hear them slightly into one another.
Reflection of sound. An example of that would be that when a sound wave reflects in such a way that the angle at which the wave approaches the surface equals the angle at which the wave leaves the surface. A good example of reflection of sound would be this room at Full Sail. When you stand in the middle, there is the reflection of your voice going up, reflecting back, and coming down, making the sound way different.
Hello. Hello.
You see the reverb in this room, and when you become in the center, you can really hear the reverb. This is the reflection. Hello, hello. The way that Full Sail designed this room is a clear example of how students should see reflection being involved in the center. It's pure physics, people. It's pure physics.
Absorption of energy. Some of the sound energy is reflected back into the room, and some of the energy penetrates the surface. Parts of the sound wave energy are absorbed by conversion to heat energy in the material, while the rest is transmitted through. So in other words, when I speak into this blanket, some of the sound waves bounce off, while others of it are absorbed into the blanket, and some goes right through. And when we talk about other materials, like this wall over here, it will react differently compared to this blanket. The blanket and the wall will both go through the same process of sound bouncing off, being absorbed, and transmitting through, but the amount will vary.
In conclusion, acoustics has a lot to do with recording arts. You see, when you record a song in a small room, you'll get a different sound than if you're recording in a large room. With different types of vocals being recorded, you may want a large reverberation, or maybe not. When you go into a studio, you might see that they have sponges or soft material on the walls. This is to absorb the sound so that there won't be as much reverberation.